Do you know many people are having trouble with charging their Bosch Unlimited 9 without a docking station? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Get cable. First, ensure you have the original charging cable that came with your Bosch vacuum cleaner. Step 2. Find outlet. Locate a suitable power outlet that is safe and easily accessible for charging. Step 3. Connect cable. Connect the charging cable to the charging port on the vacuum cleaner securely. Step 4. Plug in. Plug the other end of the cable into the power outlet and place the vacuum in a safe spot. Step 5. Charge battery. Wait for the battery to charge fully, checking the battery indicator for progress. Now you should be able to charge your Bosch vacuum efficiently without needing a docking station. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bosch users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.